Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to start a live on TikTok without having 1000 subscribers. Maybe you've lost your account or something happened, so it's pretty easy and let's start. First you go to your profile, then you click on the three dots at the top. After that you go down to support, report the problem, and then you'll find live payment rewards. It's at the bottom. Click it. Then you see hosting live. Click hosting live. Click I can start a live. Click no. Still have a problem. And here you have to give them some feedback on what's the problem. I've typed in here, hi, I was able to go live on my old account, but not anymore. Please enable my live feature again so my fans can see me. You can type in something like this. You can give them some pictures if you had account with more than 1000 followers, even though you don't need to, and click report. And they have to answer you in 2 or 3 days, so just wait, and most likely you'll be able to go live without 1000 followers. That's basically it. See ya.